Hello friends, welcome back to Know Your Knowledge, your trusted educational channel. In this video we will discuss some important questions and answers for competitive exams and government job interviews. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated for our all upcoming videos. Let's start today's GK video. Baby of a horse is known as foal. Baby of a dog is known as puppy. Baby of a chicken is known as chick. Baby of a donkey is known as foal. Baby of a duck is known as duckling. Baby of a kangaroo is known as joey. Baby of a sheep is known as lamb. Baby of a cow is known as calf. Baby of a cat is known as kitten. Baby of a zebra is known as colt. Baby of a crow is known as chick. Baby of a bat is known as pup. Baby of a bee is known as larva. Baby of a beetle is known as grub. Baby of a goat is known as kid. Baby of an alligator is known as hatchling. Baby of a pig is known as baby of a deer is known as fawn. Baby of a frog is known as tadpole. Baby of a rabbit is known as bunny.